Hi, Jackie.
Hi.
Look what I've got here. What is that? Is it a bowl of onions?
Yeah.
What do you do with onions?
Can
Can you show me what you do? Do you eat them?
Is there
Show me how you eat the onions. Are those good onions? Yeah. Hold on a second.
See?
No, just show me your onions. Oh, you spilled some. What do you say?
Amy.
You can in just a minute. Keep eating those onions. Yeah, I bet you need some water.
I'm done.
Are you done now? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you wave? Thank you.